Hello everyone, I am Anjali Singh from UP and today I want to share my incredible journey with the Evision team. It's been an extraordinary experience and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Decided to enroll in CCNA courses offered by Evision and boy what that a game changer. The trainees are not just experienced, they are passionate about what they teach. I gained a wealth of knowledge in a short period. In just 16 days, I achieved something I never thought possible. I got selected in QUESS Corp with a fantastic salary package of 2.64 LPA. It's a dream comes true. But here the magic of Evision, their incredible support team, they were always here to clear my doubts, provide one-to-one guidance, and assist me throughout the course. That level of support made all the difference. I wholeheartedly recommended Evision to everyone searching for online course. It's not just a platform, it is a community that fosters growth and learning. Trust me, this is the best platform for every student out there. Thank you Evision for helping me achieve my goal and for being such an incredible support system on my journey to success.